Being on the cutting edge of medicine has its advantages. NCH's Rooney Heart Institute is involved in more than 24 trials that give people the benefit of advanced medical procedures.
And one of them is a heart ablation device that is poised for approval. WINK's Health and Medical reporter Amy Osher has those details.
An irregular heartbeat was making life a nightmare for Allison Parrish.
You feel like you couldn't breathe. You just never thought it was ever going to end, and it just went, sometimes it would go for days. And I was on medicine, but the medicine just was not doing enough for it.
NCH electrophysiologist Dinesh Sharma is leading a local trial looking at a new fix for a common heart issue that impacts more than 2 million Americans.
The upper chamber of the heart, instead of beating, is kind of quivering, and it's called atrial fibrillation.
Persistent AFib is treated with ablation that uses energy to destroy tissue that blocks heart signals. Common devices use high heat, but that also impacts surrounding tissue. The trial uses this catheter to deliver pulse doses of heat instead.
It's very pliable, so it just makes it a little bit, safer.
Sending short bursts of heat allows for much hotter, precise doses.
It uses electrical energy, but in different form, in pulses, a high amount of energy in a very short time. So it doesn't get enough time to create significant heat and still able to do the job.
Allison won't know for months whether she got the new device or not.
It has to be randomized, which means a patient comes in, we don't tell them which technology we're going to use. The computer just flips a coin for us.
None the wiser, the AFib is gone.
No matter which trial or what procedure they used, whatever he did worked. So I'm just thrilled that it was such a great experience for me.
And a great opportunity to be on the cutting edge of medicine. Amy Osher, Wink News.
And NCH is involved in more than 24 clinical trials, giving people in Southwest Florida access to promising techniques that otherwise would not be available yet.